Okay, well, I had every intention of doing a review on the Rotary system here. Let me bring this thing up so you can see what it is I'm going to be talking about. I do have the manual focus here, so it'll take me a minute to get it up. So I've got the Monport Type B rotary axis. We ordered it, it's about 2 weeks ago now. The only assembly there is on the axis is you have these two posts right here. They weren't too hard to get in. It does come with a cable that attaches to the motor, and it attaches back. There is a, let me move my Y-axis out of the way. There's an attachment or a plug right back here. You'll have to unplug this, and it's an aircraft type fitting, so it's supposed to slide into where the motor goes into, but I always check all the cables before I start trying to shove them into sockets. That way if a pin is crimped wrong or something's wrong with the connector, you'll find out. Well, it just so happens this plug, you can see in that pin right there, let me try to get in there, it was damaged when I received the cable. I did reach out to Monport. The customer service did respond with a couple of emails, kind of back and forth. They first told me that this rotary that it's not compatible with my machine, and they sent an email telling me to disregard that email, that they were supposed to be sending out that's all I want is just a cable. I mean, I know I can replace the cable on my own, but it's just kind of you buy something, you kind of expect it to work properly. Now, I know this stuff's not high-end equipment, but at the same time, something like this should have been caught before it left the factory. But anyways, they did say they were going to send another cable, so I figured I would do this video and kind of hold them accountable. Let's see. You guys, everybody knows that Monport has kind of got a really bad reputation with customer service, and this is the first time I've ever had to deal with them, so I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. It's been about 2 days now since my last contact with them. It is the weekend, so I'm going to see if Monport does the right thing. I'll keep you posted every couple of days that I don't hear back from them, just to let you know kind of what my experience has been with Monport Laser. I do have another machine coming. I will let you know what that is, and when I get it set up and we get it delivered, I'll probably do a video on that one too. So this has been my first encounter with Monport Laser customer service, and like I said, I'll keep you posted as to how this all plays out. Take care.